we are looking at how to pronounce this word and what it means as a slang term. Surprisingly enough, in standard, normal, formal English, this normally means valuable stolen goods, especially those seized in a war. In British English, it is said as booty, booty. In American English, however, and in slang, it normally refers to butts, the butts, and it is usually said as booty. Booty is what it means in slang terms, urban terms. Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments and by using the like button. Thanks for your support. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more slang words whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.